friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be doing the time taken to update test in the Mi 10 Lite device. So this is the Mi 10 Lite, and recently I did receive the Android 11 update in this phone and just downloaded the update. And the update size is of 2.7 GB, as you can see, friends. And the MIUI version which I got update is a 12.1.1 update. So right now I'm going to reboot this device and I'll try to install the Android 11 update in this phone. So I just want to know how much time it actually takes to completely reboot the device, so completely install the Android 11. So let's see, friends, how long will it be able to take in this phone, since the update is quite a big size, 2.7 size. So it should be taking close to 4 minutes or 5 minutes. So let's see, friends, what will be the time. And in case if you want to know further details about this device, so make sure to check the links in description. So as I already uploaded so many videos on this Mi 10 Lite, and recently there are few smartphones which are got entered into my studio as well. So try to check those links in description below in case if you are interested to know about those devices. So let's get started, friends. What is the time taken to reboot this complete phone with the latest Android 11 update? So let me try to start the stopwatch and reboot at the same time. So as you can see, friends, right now the phone is completely rebooting and installing the Android 11 update in this phone. So let's see, friends, how long will it be able to take to install complete Android 11 update in this Mi 10 Lite device. And this is the first phone which I received the Android 11 update, and I'm still waiting for the Android 11 update in the other Mi and the Redmi phones as well, and the POCO phones. So right now I'm having so many POCO phones with me, and even the Redmi phones. I'm still waiting for the updates. So let's see, friends, whether I'll be able to get the updates in the other phones or not. So very soon, one by one, I need to receive the update. So as soon as I get the update, I'll try to make a video on that topic, and I'll try to upload as soon as possible. So right now again I'll be back after a couple of minutes once the update has been successfully completed in this phone. So later we can discuss how much time it took and what are the changes as well. I'll try to make separate video as well, how much what is the changes it does make after the Android 11 update in this phone. As you can see, friends, it's been 3 minutes and 25 seconds right now, and the update has been successfully installed in the device, and the phone is trying to reboot. As you can see, the phone is a 5G device, and it's saying the 5G logo. So there's nothing changed in the animation, so same kind of MIUI 12 animation is going on right now. So I did expect some kind of different animation in this kind of update, but that's not the case here. So let's see, friends, I just want to wait for the lock screen to appear, and then I can start the stop the stopwatch. So I'm just waiting for the lock screen to boot up. So I'm really interested to see what are the new features it does include in the Android 11 update in the Mi 10 Lite. So which I'll be testing. As I said, I'll definitely test the update very soon. So make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly. And this is a time which has been taken overall 4 minutes and 10 seconds to completely install the Android 11 update in this device, in the Mi 10 Lite device. So this is Mi 10 Lite, as you can see, your friends. And for more this kind of videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll try to do so many other videos on my experience using this Android 11 as well. So let me quickly show you the about phone. And as you can see, the Android 11 update successfully installed right now, as you can see, friends. And thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.